Now that you've structured your post using the story arc amplifier, it's time to refine it with Humanize AI. But this isn't just about making it sound human, it's about making it sound like you. AI can write, but it doesn't always capture your specific style, expertise, or brand voice. This tool doesn't just humanize text, it transforms it to match the exact tone, personality, and role you want to embody. Let's go through how it works. Step 1, paste your content into the Humanize AI column. Step 2, select the role and style you want AI to take on. Instead of just improving your writing in a vague way, the AI takes on a specific role, so your content feels like it was written by an expert, not a machine. Here are the available refinements. More engaging. AI writes like a world-class content strategist, making your post dynamic, fluid, and compelling. More personal. AI takes the role of a social media expert, making your content feel warm, human, and conversational. Shorter and punchier. AI writes like a viral copywriter, ensuring your message is concise, skimmable, and impactful. More persuasive. AI acts as a top-tier sales copywriter, making your post highly convincing and conversion-focused. More story-driven. AI steps into the role of a master storyteller, turning your post into an engaging narrative. More viral. AI thinks like a viral content strategist, optimizing your post for maximum shareability. More colloquial and funny. AI channels a comedian and content strategist, making your post light, entertaining, and fun. Copy the suggested prompt from the Humanize AI column and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you run the prompt, ChatGPT will rewrite your post using the style you selected. Each transformation follows a structured approach. Stronger hooks to stop the scroll. More natural flow to make it sound like real speech. Tailored word choices based on your brand and style. For example, if you choose more story-driven, AI will focus on contrast. Before versus after, problem versus solution, ensuring your post feels like a compelling journey. If you choose more persuasive, AI will highlight pain points, social proof, and benefits to drive action. Each refinement follows a clear, structured approach to match your goals. Step 4, final review. Does this sound like you? Once you get the AI's rewritten version, take a moment to read it out loud. Ask yourself, does this sound like something I would actually say? Does it match the personality and style I want to convey? Is it engaging or does it need one last tweak? If needed, make small adjustments to add final details that make it unmistakably yours. Once you're happy with your post, it's time to publish. Copy your final version and move to Content Planner Pro, where you can schedule your post and track its performance.